All right, so welcome to today's video. I'm really excited about this. I have been trying this year to be more sustainably friendly. Um, I, I just, it's very hard because of how expensive things can be. And, you try to use what you have, but then you're like, this is not as good as I want it to be. So then you're like, let me just buy what I need. However, that can get expensive because sustainable things and eco-friendly things are very expensive, and they're expensive for a good reason, but also like not everybody has the funds or resources or even access to the internet. Then like these sustainable stores aren't in every city, so it's kind of hard to actually source them if you need to go in store. So I was really excited when this box came up on my Facebook or something. I can't even remember. And they were like, you get 15% off your first box. And I was like, that sounds like a plan to me. And that is this kiwi eco box. Got a little kiwi bird on it. Look at that little cute bird. As you can see, I could not figure out how to get it open, the first box, but I also have the second box here. So this is the June box, and then I'm going to also share with you the July box. I'm really excited for this box because it's just nice to have like eco-friendly things be delivered to my house. I don't really live where there's a lot of bulk stores. I think we have 3 in my area, but we don't have anything where you can buy like the stuff to go buy in the bulk stores, and we don't even have like bulk stores for like laundry detergent and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about this box. Only thing close to it, I think, is like Grove Collaborative, but even them, a lot of their products are in plastic still, so kind of annoying, but whatever. So they're still pretty new, so they're making handwritten cards. Put your name on it. And then it says, thank you for choosing the Kiwi Eco Box. Small steps can lead to a bigger change, and now you are the change. So I think that's really nice. And it says this box was mindfully packaged using eco-friendly materials in their ongoing efforts to support sustainability. They want you to reuse, repurpose, or recycle this package. I'll probably recycle since I completely destroyed this box. Or I'll use the cardboard for something else. Like, I really could not figure out how to open this box. Like I just ripped it. I just ripped it apart, and now I see that it was meant to just be lifted up. I opened it upside down. That is probably my first mistake. That's on me. So yeah, let's get into what was in this June box. So, little spider. Ah! 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 All right, I'm gonna leave that box on the floor. I'm not gonna kill the spider because I don't know where he went. No, so I'm trying to stop killing spiders that are small. It's a small one, so like I won't kill it, but like stay out my stuff. So the first thing we have is this dish brush. So you're gonna, if you got the June box, you'll get this replacement head every 3 months. I'm not sure if they're gonna include this in another box in the future, but basically they replace the heads every 3 months, and then it's a nice little handle with these sustainable bristles, and then you got this little thing to hang it. What's that from a hook, and you can buy like the dish soap blocks, or you can just have your liquid soap and scrubby. So I'm really excited about this because I was thinking about getting one soon, and I just, I'm moving, like my whole setup behind me is full of boxes. I had to like strategically put my camera here because to my left boxes, to my right, all my clothes are on my old bed. So it's nice to like have this because I was really not thinking about it. I have like some other brush scrubbies that I have, and I was just going to use those, but now I have something that I can use. All right. Next, we've got this little exfoliator. This is made of, does it say? Let me see, do they say what it comes? So it's just a loofah bath sponge. So it's made out of that loofah, and then it's got, I think this is cotton on the back, and you got a little hand holder, or you can also, hook this onto something in your shower. So yeah, I have a loofah. I was looking to buy one of these pretty soon, but now I have one. I don't have to buy. Let's see, what is in here? Oh my God, they gave me a cookie? Ew, is this oatmeal raisin? I did not even notice this when I first. It's probably not good anymore because I got this box in June. It's almost August. They gave me a little cookie. I don't like oatmeal raisin. I do like oatmeal, so I just spit the raisins out because my mother was a raisin fan, so I didn't have a choice whether or not I had raisins. But yeah, anyway, next we have one of the mesh bags that you can take to the farmer's market or to the shops, or you can hang it up in your home and hold fruit in it. They had multicolors, and of course I had to get the beige, but I mean, hey, eventually they'll put more mesh bags in there. I'll get me a nice color, or I can just dye it myself. I'm pretty sure I got some dye somewhere. Oh, it needs to be washed. A bunch of particles just went up into the air. Oh. And then another thing they're including is a toothbrush. So every 3 months they will send you a new toothbrush. Granted, I do not need a new toothbrush, a new bamboo toothbrushes, because I buy mine in bulk. So I have a bunch, but these are cute. Did I open it upside down again? No. Yeah. So it's a little purple one. Got a little painted wood and then purple bristles. So that's really cute. I love it. It'll be another way to show that it's my toothbrush. And then they sent a soap block. Do they say what type of soap this is? So it's a little purple soap. I think there's some lavender embeds in here. It just says handmade soap bar. No fragrance. I mean, you get like the remnants of lavender, but I've been watching royalty soaps, and the reason these are brown is because they put the lavender in when it was too wet. So if you're ever making soap, make sure you let the soap set up a little bit. You know, not completely to where the lavender is just falling off, but, you know, so that your embeds can still stay. Yeah, no scent. But, you know, a little soap bar. This is not dish soap, but like you could use it for whatever. So yeah, that was the June box, the first box that they sent out. I don't know, they didn't put a price on here, but I think they said you're supposed to get like a $50 value, and the box is $25 or $29. I think it's $25 because I paid $30 because they charge you for shipping. But your first box you get free shipping on, so I mean, it's pretty good. So I got a mesh bag, a bamboo toothbrush, which will be included in every 3rd month box, a handmade soap bar, a loofah bath sponge, and a dish scrubber with removable head, even though I did remove the head last week on accident because I was like, why are they sending me another one? It's because it's very hard to remove that head. I don't even know how to put the replacement on when it comes, because it took me like 5 minutes to get it off, and then I like got it off and I couldn't get it back on. I was like, dang. So yeah, that was a really good box. Let's move on to July. So I figured out how to open this one. Got a little kiwi bird again. Another little note. And they include these, but they don't want to use too much paper. So if you scan this with your camera app, you will get, I think this is like, I guess I could just scan it with my camera app right now. So it says it's the second Kiwi Eco box. Let's dive inside and see what's in there and how to use it. So I guess I'll just follow them. So first up is this beeswax wrap. So I believe there are 3 in here. Yes, you get a small, a medium, and a large. Oh, these are cute. So I get a red one and 2 purple ones, and they've got little bees on them. So cute. I love beeswax wraps. I've collected, I think I'm up to 9 now. I got a couple in my cause box one time, and then I got one from a Globe Inn. You can get add-ons, so I got that. And so I have a lot now. I'm ready. Plastic-free me. And so basically, if you don't know what beeswax wraps are, You just fold them around sandwiches, or you can put them over, like I know you've seen those stretchy lids that you can put over bowls and pots. So that's what they're for. It holds its shape because the wax kind of, you mold the wax, and it's a very flexible wax, I'll say. And then you can wash it with dish soap and cold water. You don't want to use hot water because you'll melt the wax, but if you do, you can just put a little more beeswax on, put it in the oven, call it a day. Apparently you're not supposed to use this with raw meat because you cannot fully sanitize the cloths. Okay. All right. So next, I got some more stainless steel straws. I was kind of upset about this at first because I was like, I have a bunch of straws, like legitimately. I have so many straws, like what the heck. However, they sent me 3 different sizes of straws. Now I probably will give these 2 away because I have plenty of straight and curved stainless steel straws, but I do not have this. I think this is supposed to be a boba straw. However, I don't like boba. I don't like the way it feels in my mouth, nor how it feels when it bursts. So I will use this for smoothies because I only had bamboo straws, which bamboo straws I don't like to keep in liquids for a prolonged amount of time because then you start to taste the wood. However, now I've got me a big one. So I'm very excited to have a smoothie soon. I actually have smoothies downstairs. So I'm going to definitely put these to use. I don't think I'm going to keep this either. I don't know why they sent this humongous one for these tiny little straws. It's very hard to get them in and out. But it fits, so that's all that matters. Maybe I'll give it to a friend. I have like 5 million straw cleaners because every time you buy a straw set, they send you more cleaners. Because I get it, they're pretending, or they're expecting people who have never used the straws to use the straws. All right, what is next? Oh, bamboo cotton swab. These are 100% compostable and recyclable. Bamboo is a very renewable resource. You can grow it pretty fast, and some species can grow up to 4 feet a day, which that's how tall some of these kids are. Then once harvested, bamboo regrows itself. So these are really good. I definitely don't need any more cotton swabs right now. I have so many that I'm trying to use up. I like finish one and then I find another box where I didn't finish it. I'm like, where did you come from? But these are good to have, especially for travel, because I think the ones I got from like Target a couple of years ago, like they were wooden, and so those were good. But then now I can just refill that container with these, and then I can travel with them. So really nice. So next we've got a loofah dish sponge. So this expands in water, and then I can hang it. Huh. Wow. So it'll expand in water. Then I can wash it every now and then I can put it in a bowl of baking soda to extend its lifespan. I thought this was for my body, but this is actually for dishes, which is really good because for, you know, like things you don't need a scrub, you just need a little thing. This is good because I use a Swedish dishcloth for the small issues, but I'm expanding my dish cleaning supplies with this. Wow. I really enjoy this little pamphlet they send through your phone because it really has a lot of information, like things that I wouldn't have noticed about these products. And then last we've got some silk floss. Yes, this is made from natural piece silk and candelia wax and natural mint flavors. So it's 100% biodegradable. It comes in a glass tube with a metal lid, which means that if you ever needed to get rid of this container, both pieces are completely recyclable. So you can recycle glass in your glass waste, and then the stainless steel can go into the metal waste. And apparently they're going to send me a floss replacement every few months, which is good because I bought some floss myself and I have a container, but now I have a container to travel with. Because usually I don't floss when I travel because I never have floss. I have a water flosser. So now I have floss at home, and now I can have floss when I travel. So that was the July Eco Box. They're like, see you next month. So that's really cool. They made a little PDF instead of having to send out a pamphlet or it would have to be a book because this has a lot of good information in it. And it wouldn't be able to fit on one little tiny card. So yeah, I think both these boxes were worth my money. Overall, I've spent $55. Yeah, because 30 this month and 23 last month, so $53 or something. I don't know. I don't know math. Mental math is not my strong suit. Calculus was my favorite class, so yeah, we'll call that a day. But yeah, I really think these boxes are worth it, in my opinion. So if you really want to start living that eco lifestyle, maybe this is a box that could get you introduced into a few things that you might like. Because I know, like, getting my eco-friendly stuff that I have currently outside of this box, because I have left these in the boxes, I definitely spent a lot of money on those products. I have stainless steel food containers. I have glass food containers. I've got what are they called, the things you put produce in, reusable produce bags. I have mason jars. I've got reusable things to put your rice in. Like, I've got all of it. I did not play about getting all my stuff. And I have some stuff that I'm reusing, like Tupperware that I have that's not bad. I mean, I still use it. And then I've got plenty of other stuff that I've bought. It's just like, after a while, it just kind of gets draining. The amount of bags that I have reusable for, like, going to the grocery store, because, like, if I forget my bag, I would just buy a new one because it's easier to buy a new one and put all my stuff in it than have, like, 3 or 4 different plastic bags from the store. And although I reuse my plastic bags, like, for my hair and stuff and trash cans, like, still not as good as me just, like, not getting more plastic bags. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Like always, I look great, you look great, we all look great, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!